Today we are going to learn Maths Part 1, Chapter 1. Maths Chapter 1, which name is the linear equation in two variables. Linear equation in two variables. Now, what is meant by linear? Linear means a line, and two variables means whenever we write some equation, some type of equation. In some equations, we use one variable. Last standard, we all learned that one variable. For example, 3x plus 5 equal to 3. In this equation, we use one variable. Now, for standard 10, we are studying the equation how to solve, which is given in two variables. For example, if the equation is like this, 3x and 5y is equal to 7. Suppose this is the equation. This equation is a linear equation, means that equation when we plot in a graph, we get a straight line. A straight line graph we got. When we put the coordinate of that variables, here we use two variables, x and y. X and y are the variables, whereas 3 and 5 are the coefficient of that variables. Here, the next thing is that the normal equation, linear equation in two variables, with general form of that equation is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. And this is the normal form, general form we say, equations. Okay, here x and y are the variables again, and a, b, c are the real numbers. These are the real numbers. And one more thing is that whenever we say that this is the equation in two variables, then the coefficient of the real numbers, which we take ABC, here A and B is not equal to 0. The value of A and B never be 0. Suppose we take the value A as a real number, as a 0, then what happens? This 0 into x, value of this ax will be 0. So this equation is not the equation of two variables. This equation is the equation of one variable. That's why when we say that the given equation in two variables, then some conditions for that. The conditions are that the condition A and B, which are the coefficient, they are not equal to 0. This is the first condition. And their power must be 1. This is the second condition. Then we say that given equations are the equations in two variables. These are the equations of two variables. Now, for solving this equation, we use different methods. In this chapter, there are different methods for solving the equation. The methods are eliminating method, elimination, which we have already learned in last standard, elimination method, then graphical method, then that of Cramer's rule, and replacing the value. In this way, there are different ways to solve this equation in two variables. Now, we start to solve the equation by eliminating method, which you are already learned in 9th standard. So, eliminating method means we eliminate one variable by taking same coefficient or making coefficient same by multiplying or dividing. So, now we take the problem from practice set 1.1, where it is given that solve the equation. This equation are also called as the simultaneous equation. These equations are also known as simultaneous equation. The question is just solve the following equation. Simultaneous equation is the name it is given. Already we say two variables or simultaneous equation. So when let us see how to solve this equation.